Welcome back to the channel, guys. Happy Easter. Today we're going to be changing manual gearbox oil on Lola. Obviously I put a new gearbox in because my old one blew up. Long story. You need a 17mm hex bit to undo the drain sump itself. So yeah, let's get to it. So the two locations you want to get to, firstly, is you want to try and undo this one. This is how you're going to fill it up. If you can undo that one, then proceed with the drain itself. Obviously undo it, lay your pan underneath it, lower the car down, let it drain. Jack the car back up, put this one back in, torques it up, and then obviously proceed to undo this one, and then yeah, we'll go from there. This is the old gearbox, I'm going to use it as reference. So this is your sump that you're going to be filling up from, and your drain is here. Obviously these are a little bit loose already because I've undone them, but the 17mm bit goes in, won't go in that one because I butchered it, but it will go in this one like so, and just turn. So as if you're looking on top of the car from the bonnet, got your gear selector, alternator here, or sorry, starter motor here. So this is the one you want to get to here, and obviously from underneath the car is the drain itself. So I got one of these pressurized pumps from Amazon. It cost me £30, £35, something like that. Definitely worth getting because obviously you got the little hook as well. You can bend it up, stick that inside the gearbox, lower the car down as you're going to need to, and then just sort of let in as much fluid as possible until it trickles out slowly. But I'll show you that process as well. I've removed the drain sump, lowered the car. As you can see, there is minimal oil in anyway, but I'll let that drip for a couple more minutes, raise it back up, put the sump back in, and then I'll start undoing the other one and filling up. It took 1 litre at the moment. I did fill it with 3 litres just in case, but this should only take 2 litres at the most. So it's just feeding through there at the moment into there. And I've got a little valve here to stop it whenever I need to. What we're looking for is a slow trickle from that fill sump. As you can see, the car is lowered on the ground. It's really important that the car is flat, so it gets a good level. If you jack the car up and you're filling it up, it's more likely not going to be filled up enough or overfilled. So you just want it just so it's trickling out there for a few seconds. Let it trickle out, and then put the hex bolt back in. What we're looking for is just that continuous drip. I jacked the car up, obviously it's stopped just because I have elevated the car to one side. So now we take this out and we put the sump back in.